In this video, I'll show you how to set a trailing stop on the Robinhood app step by step. First, open the app and log into your account. From the home screen, go to your portfolio and tap on the stock you want to protect. Once you're on the stock page, tap the Trade button at the bottom right, then select Sell. At the top of the order screen, tap on the order type option and choose Trailing Stop Order. Next, enter the number of shares you want to sell. After that, choose how you want to set your trailing stop. You can select either a dollar amount or a percentage. This value represents how far the stock can drop from its highest price before your order is triggered. For example, if you set a 5% trailing stop, the stop price will move up as the stock price increases, but it won't move down if the price drops. Once the price falls by 5% from its peak, your order will trigger and turn into a market order. After setting your trailing amount, tap Review to check all the details. Then swipe up to submit your order. You can monitor or cancel your trailing stop anytime from the History section. And that's it. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.